Tubby, Tom, handsome cat. Do share, do subscribe to the Tubby and Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you. Sadly, Dennis Ramsay and Tubby got an eviction notice 13 days ago. I gotta be out by October 31st, 2022. If anybody can donate Dennis Ramsay and Tubby some cash for a house or an apartment, please do so. Donate $50, $100, $1,000,000, or $1,000,000 to Tubby and Dennis Ramsay, 27 Canaan, Canaan Avenue, Apartment B, Kempville, Kentville, Nova Scotia, Novascotia, that's Nova Scotia, Canada, Canada. Don't forget the postcode, B4M2A7. Send us anything you can. $1,000. Donate us a house or an apartment building. Give us $1,000,000 or $2,000,000 or any box. Call me if you can donate. Dennis Ramsay and Tubby the Cat. 902-365-5044, Kempville, Canada. Do share, do subscribe to the Tubby and Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you. Kempville's only famous folk artist, Dennis Ramsay, me. Do share and subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay and Tubby YouTube channel. If anybody can donate us $1,000,000 or $2,000,000 or $1,000,000, call me. 902-365-5044. Dennis Ramsay and Tubby the Cat. Y'all take care, have a nice evening, and bye for now. I need a house or an apartment where I can take Tubby with me. A good place to live in Kempville. If you got one, call me. 902-365-5044. Dennis Ramsay. Do share, do subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you. Love your cats and dogs every day. They are part of your family. Seeking a house or an apartment for Tubby the Cat and Dennis Ramsay. If you got one, call me. 902-365-5044. Thank you very much. And donate Dennis Ramsay what you can, be it $1,000, $1,000,000, $1,000,000,000, or whatever. 902-365-5044. Currently, I live at 27 Canaan Avenue, Kempville, Apartment B, upstairs. Yellow house, white trim. Do share, do subscribe, do take care. Bye for now. Tubby is washing himself. Handsome cat, Tubby. Love that cat more than anything in this world.